Hi guys, this is a video about bash scripting, right? We have our ChatGPT nearby. We have so many examples on the internet on ArcoLinux. So let's make another one that I was missing earlier on, well, yesterday. We have a lot of packages and there are a lot of things in here that you can study. You can just ask ChatGPT or anything else, explain me line per line, what does it do? This is the arcolinux-fix-arcolinux-mirrors, right? This is going to get the latest pacman from GitHub. Gonna check first, hey, you got internet? Yes, then you're gonna go and get it from the internet, and otherwise you get it locally. So something like this I'd like to have as well, not for pacman.conf, but for our mirrors. If we do Ctrl-Alt-T and think about the videos or movie from Narco, right? Narco mirror list, a way to remember it. That's basically our ArcoLinux mirror list, and it stands for the N from nano and then Narco mirror list, right? So this is sometimes can be accidentally deleted, right? Then you don't have access to the ArcoLinux stuff. This is not Arch, this is Arco. Everywhere Arco, right? What if I mess it up, right? Can I reset it? Can I get this back? That's the point. There isn't. So let's make one. Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V. So ArcoLinux fix ArcoLinux servers. Not a good word? We're gonna fix the ArcoLinux servers. It's not the ArcoLinux servers we're looking at, that's something else, and that's already created. There's a new one already, and you can use it with Ctrl-Alt-W, right? Remember that one, update Arch mirrors. That's a new script that's now running since yesterday. I have this. Okay, let's open it up. Let's move you to my second screen. Let's get ChatGPT in, right? ChatGPT, drag him like this. Then you go in here, dear ChatGPT, and then I'd like to change this code. Let's read it. Get the latest, and then we need to change some things. pacman.d, and then we have the ArcoLinux mirrors. I think that's the name. Save, Ctrl-T, Narco mirror list, right? We're going to etc pacman-d ArcoLinux mirror list. No typos allowed. Okay. So, are we online? No. So false and file boolean. Function check connectivity, local test IP. We're gonna test the IP from Google. Test count 1, and we test and we test. Device 0. We don't want to see the result, if it's successful or not. So basically in the waste basket, in the vortex or whatever you want to call it, it's gone. Then you have internet connection. If you have internet connection, you'll go online. It's true, and otherwise you don't have internet. Is the file present? Well, we do have a file. We do have a file. So I better get this thing back from here. So maybe you don't know, but we do have all the major important packages are backupped in user, local, share, ArcoLinux. We've got all the major files. Now I wonder if we have that one as well, because that's something else. Let's see. Yeah, we got, right? So this is basically what I want to get. If I can't go online, right? If I can't go online, I needed to get it from here. And that's always in every system, because it's the ArcoLinux system config. Okay, so copy. So basically it's a pathway to where the file is that I want to check. Ctrl-V. Now you have to be on the system, not the package, right? So this one is gone. user local share arcolinux pacman.d arcolinux mail list. That's where the official file is. If the file exists, yes, if you did not mess with that, right, then it's gonna be there. And check connectivity, check file. All right. So pacman config is actually the mirror list. Let's just call it ArcoLinux mirror list. Let's copy paste this already. Control C. If you're online, get the latest ArcoLinux mirror list from GitHub. Where can we find this file? Where can we find this file? Let's go to here, supt brave. Let's go to, yeah, it's a good one, but there's a GitHub. And we have a new one, ArcoNet Arco Pro. Yeah, true. And that's the ISO, but it's the Pro ISO, but we're already close. I'd rather use the ArcoNet, which is always the reference for me. ArcoNet ISO. We have the Arch ISO. We have pacman.d, etc, pacman.d. So that's the official mirror list. So I'll have to get it from the other package where it's actually coming from. This is not included here. I'm wrong, right? The wrong place. I think I'm even in the wrong GitHub. This is from the switch, and this is prior to the switch. And in here we have the mirror list. So ArcoLinux mirror list, pacman.d, that's the one, right? Raw, get your URL, Control C, go here, there we are. Let's scroll a little bit, make it smaller. So go get this, Control V, and work directory etc pacman.conf, almost, right? What we need is etc pacman.d / ArcoLinux mirror list. That's the official name, nothing else. And work directory, what's that? Where is that coming from? What is work directory? Is it somewhere up here? Control find. Right? Well, we discover something here. The work directory is not defined in our script. We just did a copy paste here. We never had an issue, but voila. Look at that. Yeah, because it's empty. If it's empty, it's just gonna go to etc pacman.conf, which is basically what we need. Look at that. So it's basically like this. Get it. Sudo wget it, because we need to write it to etc pacman.d ArcoLinux mirror list. All right. Good catch. We're talking about this one, and if it's not online, you copy paste the file. Go copy paste the file. You can actually use this in a variable, but let's ask ChatGPT, right? Copy this thing to that thing. All right, save, and then etc pacman.conf saved. No, etc pacman.d ArcoLinux mirror list saved from local system, putting all pacman config back. What's this? Online equals 0, then run the script once you're back online. Okay, so if nothing is there, then we better say something like wait until you are back online, because you don't have the file and you're not online, you can't get it. All right. So let's see what he says. Control A, Control C. How can we improve this? How can we improve this script? Probably going to use some variables. If you're using things twice or more, then it intends to make a variable somewhere. That's lately has been doing this. That's new since a few weeks ago. AUO pipe fail to exit on errors, unset variables and catch pipeline errors. So that's a new thing here. Let's use it and see. So this thing, save. Use meaningful variable names. There we go. Define constants, improvement, magic URLs, sure, or a copy here. And let's put it, yeah, okay, let's put it beneath this one. Control V, save. Encapsulate logic in functions and use local variables. Return 0 and return 1, that's the difference. Return, instead of online setting a variable, return 0 and 1. Same here. Quote variables to prevent word splitting. Consolidate main logic into main function. So we launching this one, and then it goes here. It's gonna remote URL and all that. Optional check for command dependencies. All right. Revised script example. Let's read it. So we're gonna have the variables here. I'm gonna check, is wget installed? Yes, no. It's gonna ping. I'm gonna have return here as in true. 0 is true and 1 is false, which is thinking the other way around. Check local file, return 0. Getting lost, okay. And we're gonna use the URL destination mirror list. Let's have a look. So we're gonna put it here, that's correct, and it's gonna come from there, that's also correct, and the remote URL looks okay as well. And run the script once you're back online, exit 1. That's a good idea, right? And then the main, okay, copy. Control A, Control delete, Control V, save. So now we have this thing. Ooh, I did lose my little text up there, and I do like my little text. So this one. Right. Okay. Save. Now we test it. ArcoLinux fix ArcoLinux servers. We need to open, not this one, we need to open etc Pacman, of course, Pacman this one. So I already have a back, and why do we have a back? ATT, right? We make sure you always have backups for the most important things. Mirror list, same thing, right? A backup. So let's write here Eric, save, okay. If this changes, the script ran. Where is the script? Hey, where did I get the script? The script is gone. Think so. I'll have to go, or I can probably go navigate like this, maybe faster. Voilà, here he is. So ArcoLinux mirror lists. No, that's not the one. Here we are. ArcoLinux. We are in the dev, yes. What's the name I gave it? ArcoLinux fix. All right. That's the one. Wow. Eyesight, right? ArcoLinux. Not that one. ArcoLinux fix ArcoLinux servers. Getting latest etc. You have internet connectivity, fetching latest mirror list from GitHub. He wants my password. I'm gonna give it to him. He's gonna put it in there, saved, done. You can close this window. Is it done? Is Eric gone? Eric is gone, right? Used to be Eric, Control Z. Used to be Eric, Control Y. It has been overwritten. I will update my system, and the system will know what to do. That's cool. What if I don't have internet? No internet. Internet broken. If I want to update, I can't update. But what if I want to run the script? No, not here, but here, right? He says you do not have connectivity. User local share, ArcoLinux Pacman D, ArcoLinux mirror list exists. Copying local mirror lists. So what we need to do is again do an Eric, otherwise I can't know. Run it and see it's fixed. Eric is gone. It's fixed. So both of them work. If no internet, it will get it locally. If internet, he will get it from GitHub. I guess we're ready, right? I guess we're ready to launch, and we need to fix the other one as well. But there you go. It's not that difficult, right? And ask ChatGPT, what does every line do? I don't know if it explained it a little bit. I guess it did, right? If you read it, it really is gonna say what to do, when to do, with all the echoes and all that in between. I do like a little bit more of these guys, but that's just me, right? The other day he suggested to put these things, these comments also somewhere up in a function. So that would be an idea, and give it some color, right? An info or a warning, or just some coloring scheme. But that's not our idea here. So voila, we've made a little script to fix whatever goes wrong. It does take 20 minutes, I see now in the video, but play around with it and ask your professor, your guy here, right? Whatever it is, this is my choice. You choose your own. There are plenty of AIs, but yes, I do pay for it, so I get the best possible answers at this point in time. All right, cheers.